Hey guys! Welcome back to
Baking with Babies.
Baking with Babies! No, you're not a baby, and you're not a baby, and you're not a baby, and actually he's technically not a baby anymore either because he's a toddler. But you're my babies, all of you. So we are all on summer holidays now. So we've got the whole crew.
I'm not a baby.
No, I know, we've established
I thought you
that.
were going to say cruise ship because he's a cruise.
And today we're going to be making fun beach-themed cupcakes.
Wait, so we're
okay?
making chocolate
Don't
cupcakes?
touch. Yes. Yes. Okay. So we're going to start with a basic chocolate cupcake. This is very, very basic. I think I've done it like 100 times on my channel before. But first thing you need to do is set your oven, preheat your oven to either 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Don't touch because it's yucky. It's flour. It's not nice. And then we're gonna prep 24 of these little cupcake cases. Okay, let's choose. Do you guys want to choose what cupcake cases to put in? Okay.
I want this one.
Which ones do you guys want to choose?
The yellow and pink one.
Yellow and pink?
Yellow
These
and
ones?
pink one.
Okay, let's do these
The
then.
yellow and pink one.
For the beach, do they look like a beach one?
I just want the lollipop one. I just want
You want that one? Okay, let's do half and half then.
Mummy, I think we should have the lollipop one.
Okay, go for it.
What is that?
I don't know, which is the lollipop one?
Wait, there it is. It's the...
These ones? Make sure it's only one. Andrea, do you want to do one?
Come on.
Yeah, you do the rest.
This is definitely just...
Okay, this is Andrea's contribution. It was a whole pack. All right, now we're prepped. Now we're prepped, okay? Now we can get rid of these and we're gonna save these for later, okay? Ingredients you're gonna need is 2 cups of plain flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 eggs,
Mommy.
1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of hot water, which I haven't got yet, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 3/4 cups of butter. Amelia, I want you to put the flour in the bowl.
All of it.
Yeah, all of it.
Just have the whole thing.
The whole thing. Good girl, thank you. Alessia, I want you to dump in the baking soda, please.
I just want to do the eggs.
Well, that's a bit tricky. Oh,
What's
stop.
the egg?
Okay. Eduardo, I want you to dump in this. The salt and the baking powder.
All of it?
Yep, all of it. Good boy. That's that. Okay, and now I'm gonna get a spoon.
Can I mix it? Can I mix it in?
Dre, wanna mix it?
Can I just want to mix that.
Let them have a go, and then it's Eduardo's go. Okay, now let Eduardo have a go. Dre, go. Come on, Dre. Do you want to do it too? Not too fast, Eduardo. Good boy. Let Andrea have. Good boy. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna do the fun part. Eduardo, can you add the butter
Yes.
to the bowl?
Can I do this one? All of it.
All of it, yeah.
Can I do this one?
In a minute, hold on, not yet. Good boy. Okay, we're gonna add the sugar, okay?
I can smell things.
Yeah.
I can smell something.
Go on, Amelia, you add the sugar.
All of it.
Yeah. Carefully. Well done.
That's chocolate. That's what makes chocolate. Yeah. Listen, they can look like that.
We're gonna switch it on. Ready? Oh.
Faster.
Andrea likes that, doesn't he? You wanna watch it?
It smells
Wanna
like
watch?
air.
There's no eggs in there.
No air.
Oh, air.
Oh no, it smells really nice. It smells like a pasta.
We are gonna put in the eggs. Don't touch. Alessia, can you hand me an egg, please? Very carefully.
Can I do the egg?
No. This is Mummy's job.
You
You can't lick yet. See, it's kind of tricky.
I can. It's easy. It's easy. easy peasy lemon squeezy. You
Another
just
egg.
do it until it gets to these and then just crack them.
There we go. Okay, now,
Normally you put egg.
you ready guys? We're gonna beat that.
I can even smell it here.
Next step I did was added the cup of water to the cocoa powder. And I'm just gonna mix that.
Now it's like chocolate milk or chocolate water.
It's like hot chocolate, isn't it?
Yeah. It smells nice.
Can you smell it?
Can I have it, guys? Yeah. Is that
Wait. Yeah, but with milk usually.
It smells nice. Looks like coffee mods.
Can you smell?
Looks like coffee.
Smell. Can you smell? Can you smell? Now we're gonna add in the flour mixture and alternate that with the chocolate mixture. Maybe mommy does this bit, 'cause it's a little bit tricky. I'm just gonna do about a third of that. And then we're gonna mix. You ready? No, with the electric mixer. We're gonna add in the chocolate, guys, okay? Let mommy do it for now, 'cause it's a bit hot. Okay, yeah.
And then can we lick the bowl?
Oh yeah, you can lick the bowl, don't worry.
Yay!
That's your primary job here. A spatula, yeah. Andrea, stop licking. Otherwise we can't give any of these to our friends.
Definitely. To my friend Elena.
Andrea! Andrea! I don't think I've ever done baking this way before. Surrounded by little
Can I
pieces.
hear the loud sound? Can I lick the spoon?
Does anybody want to lick?
Yes, yes.
Have a little bit. We're going to share, okay? Not yet. I need to put them in the cupcake cases first. I'm taking this away. Guys, it's dripping on the floor. Okay, okay, okay. Just have a little bit more. Oh gosh. Oh. 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 Okay. We're gonna fill the cupcake cases.
What? Can I do it? Can I do it?
Just let mommy do it first.
Can I have that one?
What, the cupcake?
No, that's spicy. Can I have
At the end, yeah. Really?
Is there?
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna pop these in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes while they lick the bowl.
Welcome back.
Okay.
What did they
We're back. We made some blue icing. Our cupcakes are out of the oven. The blue icing, all you need is 6 cups of icing sugar,
I just want
2/3 of a cup of softened butter, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk, and that's it.
Want one.
Oh, and some blue food coloring,
I just
obviously.
want
I don't know how well you guys can see. So we've got party rings here. We've got gummy bears, and we've got what are these called, guys? Pinballs. So the idea is we've got a little gummy bear inside a donut, like a, what you call them?
Party ring. The party ring.
Yes. Swimming in the sea, and then this is his little beach ball. I want you guys to help me make that. This could go terribly wrong. I'm very scared. Okay, actually,
Don't
hold
let
on.
Andrea do it. He's just gonna eat them.
All right, Andrea, here's your one. You have to put the party ring on. Okay, can you do that?
Don't eat it.
Put it on, good boy. And now put your little teddy bear in. Which teddy bear do you want?
He's just gonna eat it.
Blue? Okay, put him in the middle. No, in the middle.
He's like swimming out of the
Like here. Yoink. Okay, and which bowl do you want?
Probably yellow.
Already eaten too.
Green.
Green, okay. Should we put him here? Do you want to put your ball in? Put him here. Nope.
You
Okay.
mean in my tummy?
Okay, well, you know what? This can be your one.
He scores.
Right, Amelia, you can do yours.
Mine's
I probably know what to do.
Yeah.
Eduardo.
What's the biggest one? Okay.
And
I want to do it like the sand is yellow. I'm doing black. Can I have a gummy bear?
yes. Which color?
Blue.
Blue.
Yes. And then
Let's see, what about his ring?
it's very screwy.
Are you gonna save him?
There.
Yeah?
Done.
Well done, Amelia. Now put it up there. You are done.
I got.
I love it. Do you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Good girl.
I want to do another.
Woohoo! Okay, you do another
Can I do
one.
another one?
Yes.
Where we're gonna have pink sands
Here, let's see.
and a brown and yellow gummy.
Are you just munching away there, mister?
I want to munch away.
You want one?
Hey, Mama, he took his gummy bear off.
It's okay.
Can I have one gummy bear?
Yeah. And that is it. Let us know if you make these and if they're a success. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Where's those? I need that.
I know they're gone. The rings are gone, I'm afraid. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more. We're going to be doing baking videos all in the summer. That's the plan anyway. So subscribe for more and be sure to give the video a thumbs up if you like it. That's Dre Dre's.
I want them to the spoon. I got some.
Thank you. Oh, it matches your hair color.
Oh yeah.
And we will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.
Is it a gumbo?